In this video, we're going to show you how to create a new patient record. Adding a patient is one of the most common things reception does. Velastria gives you a full form for capturing everything up front, and a quick modal for when you just need the basics during a booking. This video walks through the full page so you see every field available. Adding a new patient is one of the most common things reception does. Let's open the new patient page directly. Most clinics get to it from Patient Central, but the direct URL works just as well. Here's the full form, split into identity, contact details, and clinical assignment. We'll go through each section and fill in a demo record from top to bottom. Start with the name. First name and last name are obvious. Preferred name is what shows up on screen and in patient communications. Handy when a patient called James Robert Smith goes by Jamie. Velastria will use the preferred name everywhere a patient sees their own name. Date of birth is used for clinical safety, drug doses, age-appropriate procedures, and for identity verification when patients book through the public-facing portal. Gender is captured for the clinical record. Email is the primary contact channel. Appointment reminders, magic link logins to the patient portal, pre-op questionnaires all come out by email. Phone gets used for SMS reminders and callbacks. Both are highly recommended even if not strictly required. Address details are used for invoicing, for GP letters, and for the patient's record overall. Postcode in particular is worth getting right. Velastria uses it for the patient address book and for some geographic analytics. Down at the bottom, pick a preferred clinic, where they'll usually attend, and their named provider or surgeon. This helps reception when booking them in and feeds into clinician-specific reports. Click Create Patient. Velastria saves the record and lands you straight on their profile page. Patient ID assigned. Ready for an appointment. Ready for photos. Ready for a quote. Welcome to the new patient's profile. From here you can book them in, upload photos, send them a portal magic link, or generate a quote. Everything they need is one click away. That's how you add a new patient. Open the new patient page, fill in name, date of birth, contact details, address, and clinical assignment. Click Create Patient, and you land on their record. When you're in the middle of booking and you just need the basics, name, date of birth, email, phone, there's also a quick add modal you can pop from the booking dialog. Either way, the patient ends up in the same place.